Can pressure washing damage my air conditioner? Yes, it can if the water is too strong, aimed the wrong way, or sprayed too close to the fins, wiring, or motor parts. A pressure washer shoots water with much more force than a garden hose, and that strong blast can bend the thin metal fins on the outside of the unit. Those fins help air move through the air conditioner, so when they get smashed flat, the unit cannot breathe as well and may work harder than it should. Water can also get forced into electrical parts, which may cause shorts, rust, or later breakdowns that are hard to notice right away. Another thing people do not always know is that dirt on the outside of an air conditioner is often better removed with a gentle rinse, because the point is to clean the coils, not blast them. If the coils are clogged, the unit can run hotter and use more energy, so cleaning does help, but the method matters a lot. A safer choice is usually to turn the power off first, clear leaves and grass away, and use a soft spray from a garden hose instead of a high-pressure stream. If the unit is very dirty, a coil cleaner made for air conditioners can help loosen grime without damaging the metal. Think of it like washing a paper cup versus scrubbing a brick wall, because the parts outside an air conditioner are much more delicate than they look. A common mistake is spraying straight at the fins, which can flatten them fast, so aim from the side with low pressure instead. Another mistake is forgetting to shut off the power before cleaning, and that can be dangerous even if the unit looks off, so always switch it off first. People also think stronger pressure means a better clean, but with air conditioners it usually causes more harm than good, so gentle cleaning works better. If the fins are already bent, a fin comb or a professional can help bring them back into shape without making the damage worse. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.